Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you what are the tips and tricks about the game time in the Moto Edge 20 device. And this is a question which has been requested by a few of my Moto Edge 20 users. They did ask me, can you please explain what is the game time and what are the features it can actually include in this game time. That's what this video is about, and this is my first time using the Motorola phone, and even it's completely new even for me as well. It's very good time to explore what are the options we do get in this game time. So what is game time? So game time is another game booster type of enhanced options where you do have in this Moto Edge 20. For example, when you open any kind of game here, so we do have the option, this kind of shortcut where you can actually select few specific tasks to do. So this is not the first time to implement. There are a lot of other UIs who actually have different kind of game turbo enhancement features. For example, in the MI UI they do have the game turbo. In the Realme UI they do have the game space and game center in the OnePlus phone, similarly like this. So game time in the Moto Edge 20 device. So first, if you want to find this game time option, you need to go to the application which is called the Moto application. So which will be installed in your phone as well. Try to click on the application, and once you click on the application, you'll get this kind of all the menu here, and you just need to scroll down and go to the option which says play. Try to click on the play and try to click on the game time. So now you'll get this kind of menu here, and now you need to click on the settings option. I'm not sure why they kept completely everything empty here. So instead of going to the settings option, they could have added this settings exactly on the outside itself, just saying to them, but still. So try to click on the settings, and here we do have plenty of option where you can actually customize each and every details. So let's explore one by one. So let's start with the basic thing. First is the sidebar. So how you want a sidebar to be happening. So tap the icon or add the sidebar. I swipe right from the edge to view the game time. That's how you can actually design. So middle or bottom or top, somehow like that. So different UIs will have different method of displaying. Right now, as you can see, friends, the position has been changed. If you want, you can swipe it and you can get this kind of menu here. So in this way, you can actually change different positions as well, depending upon the settings, how you want the sidebar. Next is acoustic lights effect. You do get the light effects as well while you're trying to play the games. Yes. So surrounding by the lights, you'll get the left side and the right side. There will be light effects going on. Similarly, while playing the game. So it's kind of some people they don't like because of the disturbance they do get. If you want, you can definitely enable that as well. I'll try to show you the gameplay, so don't worry at all. And next is about the screen recording settings, where you can actually have the small, large of front camera resolution, okay, and resolution of 1080 and 720 resolution. Recording time limit also 10 minutes or 5 minutes. That's fantastic. And file size limit also available. That's also very good option in case of if you don't have that much kind of storage, then you can actually limit those. That's very good. Next is apps shortcuts. Choose the two app shortcuts. So in this way, you can actually add the two application shortcuts as well. So which will be coming in the small window, and you can actually minimize them. As you can see, friends, that's also another advantage you do have in this kind of adding. That's also a good thing, and let me just show you exactly settings. And next is about the block notifications option and block calls. So turn off the notification while gaming, block calls while gaming, okay, allow repeat callers. So this also option is available. That's fantastic. So if the person calls a second time within a 15-minute period, so then you'll get the call. That's also another good advantage in case of emergency. And block gestures, you can actually block different gestures which the phone has got. That's also another thing in case if you don't want any kind of disturbance, you can disable those. And disable adaptive brightness, audio enhancement feature is present, corner detection is there, voice enhancement is there, but there is no visual enhancement. So visual enhancement means which works in few of the phones like MI phones, they do work. Even the iQOO phones, FunTouch UI also, they do have the visual enhancement, but there is no visual enhancement in the Moto Edge 20. Next is about the game management. Here you can actually add all the games whatever you want, and you can delete them if you don't want to add in the game time. Now let's explore the actual gameplay. And the main reason why I think only few games are supported with this kind of acoustic light effects. And one more quick note, if you want to experience the high touch sampling rate in the Moto Edge 20 device, always try to enable this option which is called the touch sensitivity. If you disable this, the touch sampling rate will be very low in the Moto Edge 20. You need to enable that option to get the higher touch sampling rate in this device. So let's play some kind of game, normal game. I'd like to show you what is happening as well. But there is actually a option which says dark awareness, as you can see, which is really good, which is like the visual enhancement, friends. That's fantastic. As you can see right now, how much area got it improved. The brightness, you can clearly see. Let me just show you the brightness levels. Right now it's not that bright in this kind of area. Let's enable this. Wow, That's a huge improvement in terms of the brightness levels in the dark scenarios. That's fantastic. That's work. So I thought there is no option for that kind of visual enhancement, but there is option. So that's good to see. And we do have the option of block calls, block notifications, and lock mode. High performance mode also option is there. If you want, you can enable that high performance mode and you can play the game. And screenshot and screen recording options, acoustic light options right now it's available. Finally, we do have the acoustic light options. As you can see right now, you can see the lights coming from the left and right side when you're trying to play. I can see the lighting effect which is going on at this moment. You can see the acoustic light effects how it's coming right now. And next options, we do have the, as I said, the dark awareness and settings. Facebook and the WhatsApp, if you want, you can access them as a mini window as well. You can minimize them. Let me know to minimize them. I'm trying to minimize, open, and let's see. No, you cannot minimize. There's option of expanding into the big application if you want, and the game will be in the background. So this is a quick review, friends, on the game time and complete in-depth features on this one. I think you got my point right. So overall it was really good, but there's no FPS meter, there's no real-time statistics which shows about CPU and the GPU percentage. They need to get improved a lot in terms of those features. That is what I did not felt that good in terms of not having the FPS meter count in this phone. That is a kind of little bit, only few people they do want this kind of FPS count in their mobile phones while playing to see the real-time FPS meter how much they are getting actually. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick review on the Moto H20 regarding the gameplay, game time, tips and all the tricks. I hope you understand what all the tips are. And this is a complete review, and stay tuned for more updates. Definitely I to do a lot of other reviews as well comparing with other phones. So meanwhile, signing off, and don't forget to check the playlist for the Moto H20. The playlist which I created for the Moto H20 will clearly help you to decide what is happening with the Moto H20. Is it good to buy this phone, or should you skip it, or should you buy this phone, or is there any alternate option available at this moment? That's what the playlist will decide you. So in terms of selecting you the best game. But so far the game time is really good. I did like this kind of visual enhancement, as I said. So which is working fantastic. That's another good. And I wish they could have added the real-time FPS meter somewhere around here. So maybe in the next update they might be able to do that. So thank you friends for watching this video, and see you in the next video and let's straight for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off. And one more last thing. There is no haptic vibrations. There is no vibration effect. I'm not getting any kind of vibration effect even if I try to increase the volume when you're trying to shoot. Yes. So there is no vibrations in the Moto H20 while gaming the Battlegrounds mobile game. So you should definitely remember that one thing. So thank you for watching this, friends, and see you in the next video, and let's stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off.